guys, welcome to Shree Sisters. In this video, we're gonna see how to find the number of digits in a logarithm if they gave you like a log equals to this value and ask you to find another log's value, another number of digits in some other value. So let's get started. I'm gonna take two examples and tell you how to find it, and you can later do it by yourself and you can slowly understand what you should do also. The first question you're gonna solve is if log 2 base 10 equals to 0.3010, then the number of digits in 2 power 10. So they gave us the value of log 2 and they asked us to find the number of digits in 2 power 10. How you should do it? So we should consider log 2 power 10 as k. Now we should consider log k will be equals to 2 power log 2 power 10. As you all might have already known the logarithm rules, if any number is raised to the power, then the power will come ahead. So we know we'll get 10 log 2. Here we got log 2. They have given in the question the log 2's value is equals to 0.3010. So we have to substitute log 2's value as 3010. Then you will get the answer, which is equals to 10 into log 2, which is 0.3010. So 10 into 0.3010 is 3.010. So you should take the nearest value. So nearest value, the next number of 3 is 4. After plus 1, the nearest round off you could say, so equals to 4. So the number of digits in 2 power 10 will be 4. The answer is 4. This is how you find. Let's see a bit tougher example in the next question. Now in this question they are given log 3 value equals to log 3 base 10. Base 10 is nothing but it's empty, you could consider. So log 3 equals to 0.4771. Then they ask us to find the number of digits in 81 power 35. So the same you should do, the same process as this one. So you should consider, you should make 81 express 81 as 3 power. We can express 81 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. We can express 81 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 3 power 4. So k equals to 3 power 4 power whole power 35. If there's a whole power, you can multiply these 4, and 4 into 35 equals to 3 power 140. This is we got. Now log k equals to log 3 power 140. As we have seen in the before sum, we have to take the power below. This is the logarithm rule. So log k equals to 140 log 3 is the value. Now they have given us the value of log 3, which is 4.4771. You should just substitute it in the place of log 3. That's what we should do. So which is equals to 140 into 0.4771, which is equals to 66.794. So we have to round off to the nearest value, which is 67. So 66 round off value is 67. So the number of digits in 81 power 35 will be 67. This is the answer. So I think this is easy. The first thing you need to do is convert it into the given number power. If they are given log 3, convert it into log 3. The base should be log 3. Something like that. You should convert the number as log 3, 3 power, and you can solve it like this. If they are given 2, then convert it as 2 and you can do that. This is how you have to do the process. So now I'm going to give you a homework sum for you to do, and that sum is if log power 87.5 equals to 1.9421, then the number of digits in 8.75 to the whole power 20. The process is same. The question might seem a bit tough, but you have to try it on your own. Please try it on your own and let me know your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept. Please like, share and subscribe to Shree Sisters. Thank you and bye guys.